Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very strange but cool looking monster from Friday Night Funkins. So here's my full pencil sketch, sped up, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this very strange looking character, and to begin we're going to draw in, let's draw in the eyes first. So that's going to be the easiest part. So it's just going to be basically two egg shapes. So just draw one and then one more right next to it. And then on the inside I'm just going to draw in another egg shape. So just follow whatever you've drawn on the outside. And then let me shade this in real quick. So this will finish up the eyeball. Alright, so once you have the eyes, we're going to draw in the strange looking teeth. To begin, we're going to draw in right in the center right here. You can make a little dot, so that's going to be the center point here. And then we're drawing the top part first. So from this point here, I'm just gonna add one little bump. Just gonna add 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so once you have that, come back to the center, come down, and then I'm just gonna draw a smooth curve all the way around. Connect the ends, and then now wherever you have these little dents right here, just come down. Okay, I know it's very strange looking, and let's draw in the bottom part, kind of same thing here, but we're going to draw the smooth curve first. And then on the side, just come down. Come to the middle here, and then same thing here, just kind of zigzag all the way out. And now on these corners right here, same thing, just go up. That's going to give us the shapes. And now let's draw in the very strange mouth shape here. So on the side right here, I'm just going to go up. Come back down to the bottom. And let me shade this in real quick. And we'll be able to see the mouth. So don't worry if your shape's a little bit wobbly or kind of out of proportion. This is a very strange looking monster anyways. So even if yours is a little bit off, it still look very cool. Okay, so it's supposed to be very cartoony. Alright, so once we have this shape here, now we can draw in the shape of the face or the head. So just come out right around here. I'm just going to draw one smooth curve all the way around. Now I'm going to draw one more on the bottom. Just right underneath the teeth right there. Once you have these two smooth curves, just right here, finish it off. Just gonna be one little bump here. So it's almost like a little lemon shaped head. Now let's move on to the body, and the body is very easy to draw. So for the neck, two little curves, and let's close it off. It's got a little collar right here. And we can add in a little detail right here for the neck. So just two little lines. Now let's draw in this funny body shape here. Alright, so for this we're going to draw in the torso area first. So here's the shoulder. Just come down, leave a little bit of space. Just pinch it in. And then just kind of bracket. That's going to give us the tummy area. Then we can stop right there. Alright, so let's continue down and we'll draw in the legs. Okay, so for the legs, just go out. Come back to the center right here. You can add one little line. It's almost like frog. It's almost like a frog leg here. Okay, so here's the knee. Just continue down. Another bracket right here to finish out the leg. And then now for his foot here, it's a little strange shape as well. Just go out like this. Shorter on the ends right here on the back, but longer on the top. Okay, so just draw the toes right here. 1, 2. So just round this out and then just connect that. Alright, so those are the legs, and then now for the arm, let's draw in this side first. So the arms right here is very simple. We're just gonna curve down and then just go back up. So it's almost like a little spaghetti. So just come down, just go up. And then now for the fingers, that's 1. And then the bottom right here, that's 2. Yeah, very simple to draw. And again, don't worry if it's not the same like this. It's supposed to be very cartoony and out of proportions. Okay, so same thing here. Come down, go up. Okay, so go out. That's 1. And then the bottom, that's 2. And that is it for this very strange looking monster from Friday Night Funkin'. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.